Good morning, Mighty Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Monday, November 9th, 2020. It's an A day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IdeaSouth Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen every day. Here's a couple things you're going to see in the Family Weekly. Remember, November 23rd through November 27th is Thanksgiving break, so make sure your parents have plans for what you're going to do. Also, scholars, remember that every day counts, so you need to attend and do your lessons every day. Our attendance is going up, up, up. We are super excited to see all of you scholars getting on and doing your lessons. Have a great day. It's a great day to learn. Hoot, hoot.